All right, now this is Mike Dunaville coming to you again with another video. This a continuation of our Build a Life You Don't Need a Vacation From. That is our motto. That's our game plan, is to help people build a life that you don't need a vacation from. Start doing things that free up your time instead of taking up your time so that you can enjoy the rest of your life. Now, what I want to share with you is a company that is, I can't even put it into words. They have come up with a program that where they're paying out 100% fast start commission. That's up to 100% fast start commission. All right, and it starts with your third person that you bring in, which qualifies you for the first level rank advancement, which is EVP. All right, so without taking up much of your time, I might add some more thoughts at the end of the video, but I want to play for you how the compensation works. So sit back and enjoy this.
All right, everybody, it's Brian Bain, founder of the Extra Digit Movement, with a quick video to show you guys the power of the myEcon bonus payout. A lot of you guys don't realize how much we've packed into a $35 investment per month. So let me show you guys the power of the bonus payout for those of you who want to actually earn some extra income sharing the opportunity. Again, you don't have to. A lot of our millionaires in our company did not do the best at sharing the business, but for individuals that want to speed it up and pour some gasoline on your financial fire and hurry up and get free a lot faster, you want to take advantage of our compensation plan. Now, here's what happens. Right now, you're what's called an MD. If you're brand new, you're a marketing director. Now, remember this formula. Me plus 3 equals EVP. I want you to write that down. Me plus 3 equals EVP. So right now, you're a marketing director. You sponsor Bill and you sponsor Ann. They want to lower their taxes. They want to eliminate debt. They want to learn how to invest. They're excited about the income shifting membership. Well, off of your first two, you earn a commission of $10. Nothing big, nothing to write home about, nothing to do cartwheels about. That's not the power of this I'm showing you. What I'm showing you is it only took two for you to get promoted to EVP. Now, remember, I told you EVP is me plus 3. So you get your third person, which is Bob. This is where the fun begins. Now, here's what happens. You now earn $35. Now that you're an EVP, instead of $10 per person, you earn $35 off Bob, $35 from Steve's membership, $35. These are all one time from Jill's membership. I don't care if you sponsor David, Tom, Alice, you earn $35 for every personally sponsored associate and their income shifting membership one time. Now that you're EVP, $35 a piece. That's still not where the fun happens. Here's where the fun happens. Bob also believes me plus 3 equals EVP. Well, his first two are in your base shop. Steve's first two are in your base shop. Jill's first two are in your base shop. Why? Because they don't have a third person yet. So you earn $25 through infinity off every associate and every membership in your base shop. Let me say this again. Bob is in your base shop because you were EVP when you sponsored him. Steve is in your base shop. You were EVP when you sponsored him. Jill is in your base shop. You were EVP when you sponsored her. You earn $35 one time up front now that you're an EVP, so you got a $25 raise. But now when you help them hit EVP by sponsoring at least two and adding one to it so they can participate in the base shop bonuses, but on the way to 3, they had to pass 2. You earn $25 through infinity. $25 through infinity. Steve, $25. $25. Jill, $25. $25. Now, they're in your base shop, but guess what? So are the two individuals they sponsor. $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25. This is a true infinity payout. As long as the associate is in your base shop and they're not under an EVP, which means they're in your base shop, you earn a $25 override through infinity. Guys, I have seen 5-figure weeks because of this type of infinity payout. I'm not making any guarantees. I'm not saying you'll earn 5 figures a week. I'm not saying that everybody on this phone is going to get wealthy, or everybody on this webinar is going to get wealthy, or everyone on the conference call is going to get wealthy. I'm not making any claims. What I am telling you is that there's power in leverage. What I'm telling you is that strategy number 2 in the $35 investment and the $25 overrides can bring you hundreds and even thousands of extra dollars per month. So don't negate the fact that sharing the information, sharing the banker secret, sharing the number one asset, sharing the W-4 information, sharing our income shifting concept, sharing our 369 financial transformation can put you in a position where now you're not working for every dime you earn. In fact, money now is starting to work for you. Just remember, guys, keep it real simple. Me plus 3 equals EVP. Your first two get you to EVP, so you earn $10. But anyone after that is in your base shop for a $35 bonus, and so are the first two of everyone that they sponsor through Infinity. All right, my name is Brian Bean. Remember, money talks, but wealth whispers. Take advantage of strategy 2. Get your finances together with strategy 1 and take the money from strategy 1 and 2 and start investing in strategy number 3.
Get back to the person that shared this video and get started today.